Tomorrow on Home and Family, we are welcoming actor Bobby Campo from the Hallmark Channel original movie, Sharing Christmas. And Paige is showing us a DIY to recycle Christmas cards.
We are back with Maria, and today she is showing us how to make DIY disco ball party favors for our New Year's Eve parties. Go ahead, Maria, and I love this. You dress thematically.
Yes, I know. I try. Well, it's not New Year's without sparkle.
Is that, you can't help but move when you hear this song. You know what I mean?
You gotta do
Mark,
that.
what's wrong with you?
We just went to, I'm not celebrating New Year's because I get up so early New Year's Day for the Rose Parade. So,
yay!
so yay for Mark.
Record scratch for Mark.
I know.
I will be watching you
But
at
no,
home in pajamas.
I've had plenty of opportunity to celebrate the ball dropping. So
Speaking of balls, you have made some amazing things here out of disco balls.
Yes. Well, I mean, I love a good tablescape. You know, if there's a holiday, I am decorating the table. Yes. And so, and of course, anything that's sparkly, I'm there. Glitter, anything. Right, Mark?
So sorry
I know you're
to
with
hear
me.
that.
I'm sorry that you've lost your voice before the New Year's Eve party.
Yeah.
I know. That's what happens when you have toddlers.
True.
They get you sick.
So tell me about the disco ball swizzle sticks. How do we make these?
Okay, so that's really fun way to add to, like, just some pops of color, and then of course the sparkle from the disco ball. So the swizzle sticks, just to add a little pop to your drink, you know, if everybody, this is great, for, even if you're doing a kid's party, it doesn't have to be a cocktail.
Right,
Kids love when you just decorate, and you can have them do it with you as well. So with that said, Debbie, do you want to?
I would love to.
Do you want with me?
I love
Okay.
First of all, where do you even get these little things?
You know what? You can just get them online. I got all of the disco balls online, and even the swizzle sticks online. They come in a bunch of different colors. You could get black. I mean, I thought the black would be kind of chic, and then I found some glitter ones on there. So I just
They're great.
Yeah,
stuck
why
with those.
not go for the glitter?
Go for the glitter.
Sure.
So these are little ornament, little disco balls, and then just search. These are about 1-inch diameters, and then they're little ornaments, and then all you do is take these off. And so then what you can do, actually, Debbie,
do you cut it? How do you get it
No,
off?
so what you do is.
How did you get this off?
I will. Oh no, they just peel off.
Oh,
yeah, I just peeled them off, and then I'm going to give you a little dab of glue.
Okay.
And this is just for safety. You don't really even, honestly, I'll show you. You put a little dab of glue in, and then you stick the swizzle, or the bottom of the swizzle stick in the drink stir, and then you are set. And honestly, the glue is just for safety because they'll stick in from the, they have a styrofoam on the inside of them.
Wait, are all of these made of styrofoam?
Yes.
Inside?
Yes, the ones that we're actually utilizing. So I'll show you how. So with that said, that's a great question. We have those beautiful candlestick holders that are also the little disco balls. And so you can see here, the inside is styrofoam as well as the little swizzle sticks.
Sure.
So what I did was I actually hollowed out the top. I'm going to flip it over. I flattened out the bottom so that it's not obviously rolling around. You don't want
exactly.
If you're working with candles and real fire, you want to make sure it's sturdy. And if you're really worried, put something like some kind of like that'll stick on the bottom.
Okay.
Some kind of, yeah.
Like that,
so then after, what you can do to get these off, I just used, you can either use an X-Acto knife, very carefully, mind you. X-Acto knives are insanely sharp.
Yeah.
So be very careful.
Well,
that's
that.
not one for the kids to do. Or you can use some scissors. And then I just hollowed it out. And then...
More glue?
No, I just stuck these in there. And it sticks in really
so
well.
Just don't make the hole too big.
Exactly. Make the hole, it's kind of like air on the side of it being smaller and then work your way in.
I bet it would look pretty, too, after the wax strips on there.
Exactly.
Right.
It would look so pretty.
Yeah.
And then you can glue the glass back if you wanted.
And then, yes, if you have any spots showing, and this goes for the other ones as well, too, but if you have any of the white showing, all you need to do, you could use a glue gun, but also... I mean, if you just have a little bit of like Gorilla Glue,
super glue.
you could grill that or grill.
You could grill it
on. You could just put it on and then let it dry.
No.
And then
But how did you make these beautiful vases?
This is
That is really
Isn't
such
it
an
stunning?
amazing. It's a conversation piece, not just a centerpiece.
And I love adding flowers all season long. I just love adding flowers. And so for this one, this is actually a regular disco ball. Like, I mean, it was something you could hang from the ceiling.
Yeah.
And then this one is actually hollow. So the ones with the candles in them, I believe, I didn't dig far enough, but I'm pretty sure they're solid styrofoam.
Yeah.
But the vase is not. It's actually hollow on the inside. So once I cut around the top and then cut through the styrofoam. It's open on the inside, so I put a vase in there.
Oh, smart.
And then I filled it with water.
Yep.
Obviously, put the water in first, and then put the flowers in. And you know what? I even utilized pieces of like the Christmas tree because it's still right after Christmas. I leave my Christmas tree up through the New Year's, New Year's celebration while I'm watching Mark on TV, but that's why I thought that would be a fun touch. And the pink really makes it pop. And then, what we talked about, styrofoam, these little guys here, I ordered them online not knowing that they were not styrofoam in the center. So they actually...
Those are hollow. Those are ornaments.
So I could not use...
But see, what's interesting is they're not proper disco balls, are they?
No.
See, because these are really the... So what would you have to put in to get these kind of disco balls? What would you have to Google?
Oh, I just honestly put in like disco ball ornaments.
And
those are what popped up. So when they all got delivered, I was like... Oh, I can't make these pink ones into anything.
Because they're hollow.
But
what was styrofoam ones.
Yes. So when you're searching, what was great about it is that the pink actually inspired me to add the pops of pink in different aspects, and then I ordered them in different sizes too. So when you're working on your tablescape, we always talk about texture and different heights and things like that. And this is a perfect example for a tablescape of what to do. And then actually, if you're going to a party, this is a great hostess gift.
Yes, it is. I would love that.
I love that. You'd be like, hello.
That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Maria. You were so clever.
Oh,
You always have the greatest ideas. For full instructions, you go to hallmarkchannel.com and learn how to make these amazing little disco balls.
Also here with fabulous ideas, Orly. She is dressing up our nails, Orly.
Yes, Mark, that is correct. Larissa and I cannot let go of the holidays because I'm going to show you guys how to make these fantastic DIY nail decals, perfect for any event.
Those are very cute. Then does replacing your brake lights stress you out?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. It stresses all of us out. Well, car expert Jessica Chow is here to say it should not stress you out. She's here to show us just how easy it is, right, Jessica?
That's right, I'm here to save you time and money and take the stress out of replacing your brake lights because it is so simple. It's literally right here in your trunk.
Can you believe that?
Fantastic. But next, the cast from Pitch Perfect 3 is here, and the Texas Tenors are playing an epic musical version of Heads Up. It's just music everywhere. Come on back.